what's the first thing on I'm on a daily time frame, okay? I'm on a daily time frame. This is the US dollar index, okay? This is the economy, this is the US dollar index. Now, I want to show you guys something. Let me, hold on, let me open up my camera. I'm not too bright, am I? Yeah, look. Okay. All right. So this is show y'all what's going on with this market. All right. First things first. I'm on a daily time frame. What has the market did? It went where? Is this 2024 right here? So last year of September, the market went to this low. We're in April. Did it come back to this area?
Yes.
What does this tell you guys? When you look at what the market did all of this for, we on the rise, right? We on the rise. Then the market starts dropping. Why in the world? Just want to know. I just want to know. Somebody help me understand. Why did the market come back here and stop? What was the real reason that the market drove this way just to stop? Do you think that the market came here to fill in orders because it knew that people were going to look at the previous, understand the previous, and then because of the previous, they knew that these are orders that has to be filled? So they know that people are going to start buying right here. Is that safe to say that people are going to buy? Because you remember the past always, right? Nothing's new under the sun, right? So the market comes here, grab these orders, right? Now, what is it that the market doing now?
Is it safe to say it's testing that low? It's testing the floor that was set back in October and September?
Say it again.
Is it safe to say it's just simply testing that area back in September and October of last year?
Yeah, this is last year. That's in 2024. You see that the dates?
Yes, I'm saying, is it safe to say it's testing that?
Of course, it's testing that area for a reason, right? So is it testing it to fill in those orders? Right? Is it testing those orders?
Yes.
So now that we know what the market is doing, now what they believe or what people believe is that now the market is going to start heading up. Now, it's hard for me to believe that that's what's going to happen. Because everybody is in a now just look at, let's go back, hold on. Let me get rid of that one. Let's go back. This has been a very, very serious area here. So this area here has been a, let me just take this, let me take this down some more. This has been a very significant area right here. So way in July of 2023, the market did the same thing here. I want you guys to understand how the market works. They can do all of this. right? But there are certain institutional areas where the market is going to come to. I don't care what nobody tell me. There's certain areas where the market is coming to where these institutes want to buy. They want to buy at a specific area, okay? And that's just the facts. Now, retail traders, in their mind, they always buy at a high price. That's just what it is. They buy at a high price. For this market to be like this, let's just keep going. Let's find out when the market stop doing this foolishness. Right. So market finally broke out in 2022, where the market actually broke out. When it broke out in 2022, it never came back down this area, back down here. Okay. All it did was it kept testing this $100 mark. Just kept testing this. So this right here is an exciting moment because we believe that the market is going to be starting to head up. Can they allow the market to drop a little further down? Can they test the waters and allow the market to drop? Let me tell you something. You know how much millions of dollars this is just floating right here? Floating in this area. You want to know why? Because the previous told everybody, this is what the previous said. The previous said, when they get there, we're going up. It said it in 2024. When they get around this area, it's going up. It said it here in 2023. When they get to this area, it's going up. January 2023. When you get to this area, it's going up. So for about 2.5 years, we've been looking at the market that when it get here, it's going back up. It is so much money right here. In my personal opinion, this is my personal opinion. I can't give you guys the advice. This is my personal opinion. My personal opinion is I think and I believe that they're going to shake the market a little bit. I believe that even though the market is here, I believe they're going to come all the way down here. And the reason why is because these people that we're playing up against is so nasty. When I tell you these are the most greediest people in the world, these are institutions, these hedge funds, all right, greedy. They want theirs, and they want to take it from you. They are, when I say greedy, greedy. And I really hope y'all understand when I'm using this word greedy, I'm using it in the nastiest term I can put. They are greedy. They don't want you to win. I don't believe that this is the buying area right now. And the only reason why I don't believe it is because it's too much money right here. And it's too many people that's anticipating. So I say we sit back. I feel like, and I could be wrong. This is the risk that I'm willing to take. I think the market is still going to do some dropping. I think it's me personally, and you guys can pay attention. If I'm wrong, I want you guys to send me a message and say, hey, Kurt, you was wrong on this one, buddy. I can take that. I'm okay with that. But I truly believe that the market is going to come down here, right? It may even drop a little bit more. You know, we need somebody to call a miracle maker. And so what we need is, and that's one thing our president loved. Oh my God, he loved to prove you wrong. You know, like I like his ambition. I like how he's a go-getter. I may say he wants to be. He don't like to look bad in front of nobody. So even if you make peace with him behind closed doors, you know, he's going to make sure that up front he won't. So that is what it is. But I truly believe that the market is going to still drop below this area because everybody's looking for the market to start back. And if you guys understand how life works, anytime something shows that everybody is involved, it never goes the way everybody wanted to go. We are expecting for the market. We are expecting for the market to start going into a buy area, a buy zone. This is what we're expecting. We expect for the market to start buying. So people are buying right here. Okay. Now, if you look at this, let me get this out of the way. Here, orders has to be filled here. Fair value gap. Orders has to be filled right here. Okay. So this is the thing. I'm gonna show you guys something. I want you guys to look at this. Pay very close attention to this. These orders has to be filled right here. What's about to happen is that these orders are going to be filled. Market's going to come here. These are people are going to be buying. Remember, retail traders are going to look at the market this is what retail traders do. Oh, the market is finally going up now. Let me start buying. Orders is here. They're going to fill in these orders. And once they get these orders, now this is the thing. This is where people are going to be buying. Let me show you guys. Okay. This is going to be the buying area right here. Right? People are going to buy here. People are going to have their stop loss. Stop loss is going to go roughly, let's say, a little bit right around in there. Stop loss. Okay. And here, all right. Here we're going to get a little bit of take profits right here. We're going to call it take profit. Okay. Take profit's going to be right here. This is what's going to happen. Everybody who's buying here, the market is going to come in this area to fill these orders because these are people that has buy orders here. And then we're gonna take those orders. That's what they're gonna take those orders. And so when they take those orders, then when you're gonna see the market, that's when you're gonna start to see the market doing this. After it take all these orders here. But it's gonna fill in it's gonna take these orders, give us another drop. Okay, you got to be crazy if you think that all these orders, because remember, these are retail traders that's going to be trading here. Okay, institutions are sitting down here. Okay, so you got institutions sitting down here. You got institutions that has their orders here. This is where the institutions are going to be buying, right around in here. Retail traders are going to be buying up here. They're going to fill in these orders. We're going to get another drop so that these orders can be filled in for the buy. We take this money in order to fill up this money. So we got to take this money down here, up here, right? We got to take this money up down here, give it to them here so that they can take it here. I can't tell y'all no more. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I want you guys to look at this, right? And I want you guys to just pay attention and let's see what happens. Okay? Tomorrow is Friday. Let's see what happens. Let's see how the market plays out for tomorrow. Okay? Now, they're not gonna say that the market is down, or if the market comes down to this area down here, if the market even still comes down here. All right, let's just say the market comes down here. If it comes in this area here, they're still not going to say, okay, the market is down, right? But they're gonna fill in these orders. So that's just my honest prediction. I could be wrong, But that's just what I think is about to happen.
So do you think we should wait to buy the crypto then?
So this is what I'm gonna say. When it comes down to purchasing the crypto,